Hi everybody, it's Lucy, and today I have a Sally's Beauty haul. Woohoo! Who else loves Sally's Beauty? I just think it's the best. So I needed a few things and came out with a bag full. Isn't that usually the way? Like this video if you're the same way. But anyway, I just thought I would go through with you what I purchased, and one of the items that I specifically went in for, I also want to share with you how I'm going to use it. And this is a particular nail hack for glue-on nails or press-on nails. I wanted to share with you in case you also love the glue-on press-on nails as I do, and maybe you would be able to utilize this hack. And I'm also using a couple of the products that I purchased because I did want to go ahead and test those out. I'm wearing them today, so I'll mention those as I get to them. So let's dive into this goodie bag. So I've heard really good things about the collab concealers. So I knew that they were available at Sally's, so I wanted to pick a concealer up. So I did pick one up, and I got the color, what did I get? Ivory/sand. I was between this and the porcelain. I think porcelain is the lightest because I like to have a brightening effect to my concealer, because what I use it for is around my nose in this red area here and my chin, just to kind of brighten it up a little bit. So I am using this today, and I did put it here in this area, and I do like it. It just blended really, really well with my Real Techniques makeup sponge. It does not have an odor. The color was really good for me, so I think I'm going to enjoy this. This is my first time wearing it, so I don't have a wear test or anything. But as far as the coverage, I think it's really nice. And the specific name is the No Flaws Liquid Concealer. It is 0.28 ounces, and it was $12.99. And while I was at the collab section looking at the concealers, I saw they also have correctors. And I have been using the NYX Dark Circle Concealer. It comes in this pot. I bought it in the, what color did I get? The light pale. And it is a really dense, heavy cream texture. And I have been using this specifically for my inner corner area that gets really dark. And it works pretty well. But I find when I'm wearing my longer nails, in order to scoop this out, I have to scoop it, with the back of my nail. And then you do have to warm it up, or at least I do warm it up in between my fingers and then apply it. And it's just kind of hard to apply with my fingers in this little area with long nails. So when I saw this formulation, I thought, let me give this a try. So this is, let's see, this is called the No Flaws Liquid Color Corrector. And it's the same as 1.28 ounces, and this was $12.99 as well. And in the bottle, these do not look very different, but on my skin, this is noticeably peach. And it was super easy to apply right where I wanted it, and it melted in, blended so well, and I think it did a lovely job of brightening up the areas that I am dark. So far I'm really enjoying both of these. And even though the price $12.99 to me is kind of high for a concealer, there does seem to, these are pretty nice size containers, and so we'll see how long they last. And of course I had to check out the clearance section, and boy, I hit the jackpot. I love wearing glue-on, press-on toenails. I have my toenails have a lot of ridges in them, so even when I use nail polish, they just don't really look smooth, and I just love the effect that I get from wearing glue-on nails. And so they had these reduced, I think that they were normally like $8.99 or $9.99, and the reduced price was $7.29, but they rang up at $4.99. So about half price, so I was all about that. And I got these really pretty white with bling. Super pretty. And then I also got these kind of bright blue with bling as well. Just absolutely gorgeous. And I got these red with hearts. Super, super pretty. And then an item not so sexy, I picked up a wig cap. As you may or may not know, I have a wig that I purchased not too long ago, and I've worn it without a wig cap, but I just think this will really help to keep my hair in place and more flat to my head and make the wig look better. So I was going to give this a try. So I did pick this up. It's a 2-pack, and the price of that was $1.19 for the 2. I also picked up some more nails for my fingers, and I thought these were absolutely stunning. So pretty. And these were $8.29. And for a more everyday, low-key look, I got these. Just a more squared off, just nice, beautiful, pinky mauve color. And these were $8.29 as well. And the star of the show, and what I really wanted to look in Sally's for, are these little rhinestones that you glue onto your nails. And I have just been all about the bling look lately on the fingernails and the toenails, as you could see by my toenail purchase. I just think it's so feminine, so fun, just really, really pretty. And I am just all about that lately. So I thought I would just purchase a set myself and see if I could play around and make some pretty designs on my own. So I did pick this up. This was $16.99, and it comes with lots of different shapes and colors and sizes. And I specifically bought these for not only for decoration, but also utilitarian purposes, because sometimes the, one size fits all nails are not one size fits all. And there might be a little tiny gap somewhere on the sides or the bottom or something. And so I thought by applying these crystals around those gaps, it would help camouflage. And so I am playing around with that, and I think that it is going to work beautifully at camouflaging and providing beauty to my nails. So it will take some practice, trial and error, but with using the little tool that came with this set, it made it a lot easier because that just, instead of trying to pick it up with my fingers or something else, the tool is really, really important, I would say, in being able to apply gemstones. I also picked up a pair of tweezers just in case I might need a pair specifically for this type of practice, and these were $2.79. And they do come in handy to help flip over the gemstones when I put them out. If they flip the wrong side than what I need, these do come in handy to help flip them over. So I would say tweezers, as well as the little tool that comes with this, are what you need. And so far, so good. And that's everything for my Sally's Beauty haul. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you aren't yet subscribed, please do so. If you're into fashion, beauty, all that good stuff, that is what I'm into, and that's what I like to make videos about. So please subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.